Hello friends, I am Professor Pawar SV from Sau Sundrabai Manik Polytechnic. Welcome back to Arsul Polytechnic YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the topic applied grammar. In the topic we will discuss the verb forms, or it is also named as tense. We will see the various examples of verb forms. In those examples, there I have taken the first example: the servant in bracket work since morning. Here, since indicates, here the word since indicates the action started in the past. The action started in the past means the action started in the morning, but it's still going. So for that we use present perfect continuous tense. So here is a correct verb form: has been working. Has been working is a correct verb form. Why we have taken has been working a correct verb form? Because here since indicating the action started in the past, the action started in the past and now still going. When the action started in the past and now it is going, for that we using present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. So here we use present perfect continuous tense for correct answer. What will be the answer for it? The servant has been working since morning. Okay. Here has been working is the correct verb form in the given sentence. Then second sentence is the sun in bracket rise in the east. Second sentence is the sun in bracket rise in the east. This is the second question. We have to use correct verb form in the given question. So what will be the correct answer of the given verb? Here the sun rises in the east is the question. So but it is a universal truth statement. It is a universal truth sentence. The sun rises in the east is the correct answer of the question. For universal truth, we use simple present tense. What is the structure of simple present tense? Simple present tense: subject plus verb 1 plus object is the structure of simple present tense. What are the uses of simple present tense? What are the uses of? Number first, for habitual actions. Number second, for universal truth sentence. Here is the sun rise in the east is a universal truth, so we use here the structure of simple present tense. What is the answer of the given question? The sun rises. We use yes or yes for the given verb in simple present tense. rises in the east. The sun rises in the east is the correct answer or correct verb form. Next sentence. He in bracket come next week. He in bracket come next week. What is the correct form of verb come here? Here is the verb using for the future action because here is given next week. For future action, what or which tense we use? For future action, which tense we use? Simple future tense. Let's use the structure of simple future tense here. What is the structure of simple future tense? Subject plus shall oblique will plus verb 1 plus object. So here is the correct answer of the given question is subject he. Then after he we use will to be he will come next week. Next week is the correct answer. Next week is the correct answer. Next week is a he will come next week. So here is the correct verb form is will come. Here is a correct verb form is a. Then next sentence Sachin in bracket. Next sentence Sachin in bracket score 125 runs in the last match. In the last match. What the sentence indicating? What is the tense here? What is the correct sentence here? Here is given last. Here is given word last. So it happened in the past. So here we use simple past tense. What is the structure of simple past tense? Simple past tense subject plus V2 plus object is the structure of simple past tense. Why we are using here simple past, the structure of simple past tense? Because in the last match Sachin made 125 runs. So in the past actions we using simple past tense. So here correct answer is Sachin is the subject. V2 scored 125 runs in the last match. In the last match. Then next question is Mary in bracket watch television now. Next question is Mary in bracket watch television now. What is indicating the word now? The word now is indicating The action is going. The action is going in present. So for the present, when action is going, which tense we will use here? We will use here present continuous tense. Why present perfect continuous tense we use here? Because the word now is indicating the action is going. The action is going. So what is the structure of present continuous tense? What is the structure of present continuous tense? The structure of present continuous is subject plus to be, am oblique is oblique are plus verb ing plus object. So what is the answer of the given question? So what is the answer of given question? So here is the subject Mary. According to subject we use to be is verb ing watching television now. Let's see the next example of verb form. Next question is, in bracket have you in bracket commit the mistake. What is the correct verb form here? Here is the given have means for using the completed actions we use have. So have plus V3 here is the correct verb form. So have you, then we will use here V3 of committed the mistake. The mistake is the correct verb form. Have you committed the mistake? Next, what in bracket be the causes of global warming means it is also say the statement is about the universal. So here we will use present to be. Present to be means are is the correct to be. What are the causes? What are the causes? The causes of global warming. Causes of global warming. What are the causes of global warming? Is the correct verb form. Then last question is, the manager in bracket visit Australia recently. In the given question, the word recently also indicates the past action. So for the past actions we use simple past tense. So there is a structure of simple past tense, subject plus V2 plus object. So the correct answer of the correct verb form here is visited. So correct answer, the manager visited Australia recently. Today we explained the verb form through various examples. We will see the next grammar in the next session. Thank you very much.